I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can kick or ban someone in Among Us. So it's pretty simple. So first, to kick or ban someone, you need to have the game started. So let's say the game has started. Now let me show you how you guys can kick someone. So once the game starts, what you need to do is click on this emergency button. Once you click on the emergency button, you can basically chat with other people, and through that chat we are going to ban people. You need to click on use and use the emergency button. Once you use the emergency button over here like this, now once emergency meeting starts, you need to click on this chat button at the top. From over here, you want to choose the person who you want to kick or ban. Once you click on it, you need to click on kick. Once you click on kick, you have voted for kick. Now all the people from this game need to vote for this person to be kicked. Just because I voted him to be kicked doesn't mean he will be kicked. If your game has 10 members, if 6 members vote for him to be kicked, then he will be kicked. If only 5 members vote for him, then he's not going to be kicked. Basically, more than 50% of the game people has to vote for the person to be kicked. Then only that person will be kicked or banned from the game. So that is how we guys can kick someone from the game. And to ban someone from the game, you just have to click on their name, click on report, and report what they did. If they used inappropriate name or harassed you or cheating or done something, click on it and click and confirm, and they will be reported, and Among Us staff will view it, and they'll basically delete their account if they think that they have done something wrong. So that is basically how we guys can kick or ban someone in Among Us. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.